All right, I'm gonna unbox this copper flower for bird baths. Get it out here. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. How cute is that? So here's your instructions, really straightforward, easy to read. That is a beautiful picture. I actually really like that. And then you've got your copper flower here. Let me just peel back. The protection, it's a beautiful copper color. Really simple, straightforward. Just gonna place this in the water in my bird bath. That's it. Beautiful packaging. It's got this cute shape, nature inspired. Love it.